Hey, this is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida. Working on a 2018 Jeep JL. Kept everything in the front factory looking. Kept the factory radio. In the front here, we did some Sony three-ways. So there's a 3-inch underneath that with the Sony tweeter right up on top. Same thing over there. And then we did a carbon fiber 4-inch. It's got a pretty big magnet. These are actually enclosures, ported enclosures in here. And the carbon fiber 4-inch fits right in there. It gives a lot of mid-bass. And then underneath the seat here, we did a Hertz Audio HDP 5 channel. And then back here, we did the Hertz Energy 4-inch. There wasn't a lot of depth in here, so we couldn't fit our carbon fiber woofers in there. And then coming to the back, we did a custom stack fab enclosure back here. Sticks out a little bit. We could do a dual one, so we could put one over on this side as well. But we basically rhino-lined that. We did an AudioMobile 10-inch sub, which this sub sounds really, really good. But we can actually do 4 woofers. We could do 2 on each side. We could reposition this down there and then add another one and then have a second 2 over here. So if you wanted to, you could technically do 4 of them in here. But we could either carpet these or rhino-line them. We rhino-lined this one because he's going to take this top off and ride around without it. So it's kind of weather resistant. But if you're in Jacksonville or anything, give us a call, 904-333-2322. We should have these available on our website soon for sale as well, store.audiodesignscg.com. Check it out.